Internet is correcting the networks. That was the slogan earlier, but today it is connecting the hearts, connecting the souls, connecting everything. It has no barrier, it has no religion, it is no caste. For a parent whose son stays in abroad, internet is a son or daughter. For the son who is staying away from parents, it is the parent. So it is for the customer, it's a bank. It is for the bank, it is a customer. So any service generally it will not complement each other, but internet it complement each other. Like I told just now, a father to son, a daughter to mother, it functions both functions at a time. That is internet. I can say it is just like a social god, a social system, which is developed for the people. Most of us today, earlier we have emotions, and now we have a dash between E and motion, emotion. We are depending on the emotion than emotion. But that emotion is met with emotion. We may think, yes, by coming to Facebook or any of the social sites, people claim sometimes it is bad, but I feel it's not bad. We are connected to the more people rather than sitting in the small house. Earlier, going to all the way to our relatives is a very rare commodity, and we used to meet people only during functions. But today, we can meet anybody anytime, and we can chat, we can always share our feelings and get the feedback. I interviewed some of the people saying that why you are so stick to the internet. They says they are connected not only to the people ideas, connected to the whole world, in sharing the cultures, sharing the technology, sharing the lifestyles, everything. So it is much more what internet has initially thought for. I give example when Alexander Graham Bell found a telephone. He thought his telephone should be costliest in the world because he spent a lot of time to found a telephone at the initial stage. And Alva Edison thought he got the light with a short time. He thought it should be the cheapest product. But end of the day, end of the time, it indicates the telephone is today's telephone, or yesterday's telephone is today's internet, is the cheapest in the world. Especially coming to the company like BSNL or any other government companies, they are doing best in the internet because they provide services up to rural areas. A lady who is not educated in the village, and she is highly capable in sharing the love and highly capable in educating or teaching his colleagues or his neighbors how to bring the children, because their children are grown to highest level in the society, and she knows how to make a best spicy food which nobody knows in the even topmost urban areas or in the developed countries. If these two things are shared by her to the world through any of the websites available, and she becomes so famous in the world, her food will become so famous in the world, but she lives and also hails from a small remote village. So this brings her to the topmost technology, and she brings her to the topmost society without any cost without any cost. I mean, recently we had tried one of the lady who got specialized in making a good food. She was brought to our exchange. We have taken her all credentials and the spicy food through our department to BSNL. I saw that she is totally uploaded, and lot of views have came from the rest of the globe, and one YouTube, I think they have taken the views into content, and they paid her a huge money. So what I advocate is the productivity of the society, productivity of the individuals will increase. The recent government statistics says the 10% increase in the internet penetration will improve the 1.3% of the gross domestic product of the place. So I gave a proposal also to the government of India why the internet, mobile connection and the GDP are related. If the internet if the mobile telephones are increased by 100% and broadband connections will be increased by 50%, they have their link. If the broadband connections are increased by 50%, your GDP will be increased by 6.5%. See, if you take any of the infrastructure fields like agriculture or telecommunications or the power, the easiest way of and with low gestation period is the internet technology and improving the productivity. Example, some more examples are the online education,